Kaboom. This is my next project. Have I ever installed one of these? No, I never have. What the heck is this anyways? It's wireless and it's a doorbell. This is called a doorbell extender. What you do is on your existing doorbell, apparently I'm going to screw this and attach this fairly close up to the existing doorbell up in the hallway. Then once this hears that, when you hit the doorbell outside, I'm going to take this and plug it in. See, there's a plug right here where you plug it into an electrical outlet. And then it reads off of here, and then the doorbell is going to go off. So what that's going to do is, like, if you have a doorbell in the hallway and you got a back bedroom or a back work area or in the garage even, let's say, and you can't hear the doorbell go off, well, now you can. This you stick up by the bell, and this you plug in anywhere. So my mother, I'm over at my mother's house. She can't hear the doorbell when she's in her bathroom or in the back room, back bedroom or something like that. She can take this and she can plug it in wherever. She can plug it in by the sink in a bathroom. She can plug it into an electrical outlet in the back bedroom or something like that. So that is the project. I had to get some batteries too, because whenever you get something, you have to read in here. See, it says requires 4 AAA batteries sold separately. So make sure when you get something like that, you read the directions, because had I not had the batteries, I couldn't install this. Now see, this works up to 100 feet. Transmission range, works with all doorbells. Adjustable volume control requires 4 AAA batteries sold separately. Installation steps. So I'll read the directions and figure this out. Put the batteries in, and then this gets attached up by the existing doorbell, and then you plug in the other thing. And there's some directions in here too. So I'll get going here in a minute. You want to watch that? Stick around. I hate these packages. Every time you buy something at the store, you can never get these things open. And that's one reason why you get some tin snips like this. I don't use these tin snips that often, but when I do, I'm glad I have them, and I'm going to use it just for, you know, even something like this to get it open. Nothing worse than to try to get stuff open and not being able to do it, and messing up your fingers or whatever. Or your good scissors, let's say. I don't want to mess up my good scissors. Okay. The tin snips I get are from Wiss. You can buy whatever. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so I'll read it. You know, they even gave you there's some little screws with some plastic anchors. I don't know if I'm going to use those plastic anchors. I might, or I might use some that I already have, but these plastic anchors and stuff is for this little deal here. So I'm going to have to figure out how to open this thing. And this takes the little batteries. Boy, okay, there, okay. See, here's the mounting screws right there. So I don't think there's much to this. I'll have to read the directions, because see, there's a little button here on, and there's a 1 and 2 there, and the on. So read your directions, put your batteries in, and let's get going with this.